2026 is shaping up to be an important year for the Twin Falls real estate market. Hi, I'm Eliza. I'm a Southern Idaho real estate advisor, and I specialize in relocation and new construction here in the Magic Valley. I work with families and retirees who want clear guidance, whether that's choosing the right town, building a custom home, or understanding what your budget actually gets you here. On this channel, I break down the market, the lifestyle, and the real differences between areas so you can make a confident decision before you ever move. If you're researching Southern Idaho, this is the channel built for you. Whether you are buying, selling, investing, or just curious about where things are headed, today we are breaking down everything you need to know about housing trends, prices, inventory, and what to realistically expect this year. Before we look ahead to predictions, let's ground ourselves in where the market stands as we head into 2026. As of late 2025, average home values in the Twin Falls area sit around $358,000 with modest year-over-year growth. Depending on the data source, median sales prices range anywhere from about $381,000 up to the low 400s. Homes are currently selling in roughly 40 to 70 plus days on market. That tells us something important. We are no longer in the extreme, hyper-competitive market of earlier years, but we are also not seeing a crash. What this shows is a stabilizing market. Twin Falls is trending towards balance where both buyers and sellers can find opportunities without the pressure we saw earlier in the decade. Now, let's talk about what experts expect to happen in 2026, both locally and nationwide. Most forecasts point towards increased market activity this year. Mortgage rates are expected to ease slightly compared to recent years, which could bring more buyers back into the market. National projections suggest home prices will continue to grow, but at a much slower pace. Roughly 1 to 2% is the general expectation. That slower growth is actually healthy. Lower borrowing costs, even modest ones, can make a big difference for first-time home buyers and people who have been waiting on the sidelines. Overall, 2026 looks like a return to a healthier, more active housing market after a couple of quieter years. We are not expecting dramatic price drops, but we are also not expecting runaway growth. This is about balance. One of the biggest factors shaping the Twin Falls housing market in 2026 is inventory. Inventory has increased compared to recent years, which means buyers have more options and less pressure to rush decisions. Some broader housing data shows inventory levels fluctuating, but overall, more listings are moving through the market. New construction also plays a role here. Additional housing stock, like new subdivisions and developments, help relieve supply shortages that historically drive rapid price increases. More supply means fewer bidding wars and more breathing room for buyers. This is a major theme for 2026. So, what does this all mean if you are thinking about making a move this year? For buyers, more inventory means more choice and less pressure than we saw in the super heated market of recent years. Slower price growth creates opportunities to negotiate, and slightly lower borrowing costs can improve affordability. For sellers, strategy matters more than ever. Pricing correctly is critical in a balanced market. Homes that are priced well and marketed properly still perform very well. Quality marketing, strong presentation, and staging continue to drive top dollar. Overall, 2026 could feel buyer-friendly in certain price ranges without eroding the equity sellers have built. Beyond pricing, broader growth trends matter. Idaho has added housing at a faster pace than most states over the past few years, and Twin Falls continues to benefit from that growth. The area keeps attracting new residents due to lifestyle, work flexibility, and relative affordability compared to other Western markets. When population growth and job growth continue together, they tend to support long-term real estate values. Twin Falls is still on that trajectory. Here's the bottom line for the Twin Falls and Magic Valley housing market in 2026. We're looking at a more balanced market, not scorching hot and not frozen. Price growth is expected to be modest and steady. Inventory is higher, which is good news for buyers. There are still strong opportunities for sellers, especially with smart pricing and strong presentation, and the local fundamentals remain solid, with population and job growth continuing to support demand. If you are thinking about buying or selling in 2026, drop your questions in the comments. And if you want weekly updates on the Twin Falls real estate market, make sure to like this video and subscribe.